Hi everybody, it's Katrina. We're not in the crafty corner, but we're on the corner today, out here street vending. This is my setup, and as you can see, I didn't use the windows this time. I have 4 more tables at the house, but I wasn't able to get to those tables because I'm revamping the crafty corner and got a lot of stuff to clean up. But as you can see, I have my big baskets up here on the table. And I have my gift bags and baskets over here. That's the platter that I made this morning. That's the other platter that I made. And I also have them lined up on the ground in front of the tables, and they are on the box as well as on a protector up under them to keep them from getting dirty. So I placed some baskets also in the back of my car. In the back of the car I have mostly very small gifts and my small baskets. And then I just pulled the car up under the tent there. I got that Happy Mother's Day sign off of Amazon. And of course we know I got my other sign there. I ordered off of Instagram, one of the names there on Instagram. So this is the setup and how we did today. We did very well today. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed and be a blessing.